Hi and what's up? I hope you're doing fine. I am super happy because today I'm going to be showing you how to make creamy pasta and it's going to be so delicious. So stay tuned until the end of the video. And if you're new here, I'm Scovia and I love making easy and amazing recipes like this one. So for this recipe, you're going to use any pasta that you have in the house. I'm going to be using my butterfly shaped pasta. It's also called bow tie pasta. So just feel free and use any pasta that you have in the house. So without further ado, I'm going to move over to the stove top, and on medium heat I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Then I'm going to add in butter. That is a knob of butter. Spread the butter in my pan. Once the butter is bubbling or sizzling, I'm going to add in my onions. Stir in. I've added in a little bit of olive oil so that the butter does not burn. Then I'm going to add in some garlic, and you'll find all the ingredients listed in the description box down below. Once fragrant, I'm going to add in my mushroom, which I've sliced. Then I'm going to stir in so that the mushroom can cook. Make sure they're covered with the garlic and onion. Cook the mushroom until wilted, and over here I have a pot of boiling water. So at this point I'm going to add in my pasta. So I'm going to add in salt. Make sure you always cook your pasta or spaghetti in salty water. Check on my mushroom, give them a stir. Then I'm going to add in my pasta. I'm going to wait for the water to bubble up and then I'll stir. And then I'm going to cook the pasta until al dente. And my mushrooms are ready. So this is how they're looking. So to my mushrooms, I'm going to add in 2 blended tomatoes. Stir in. When my tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to add in a little bit of salt, black pepper, and oregano. I'm using 1 teaspoon of oregano. Keep this aside. Stir in the spices. And also I'm going to add in 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. You can skip the tomato paste, but it adds a very nice color. You can see the nice color from the tomatoes. Then at this point, I'm going to add in my whipping cream. Stir in. If you don't have the whipping cream, you can use heavy cream or cooking cream. Today I had my whipping cream. So I'm going to add in assorted peppers. Stir in. Because I love my capsicum crunchy, I'm going to add my capsicum at this point. And then I'm going to use my skimmer and scoop out my pasta, which is already al dente. Stir in. So this is how they're looking, and they have already wilted. And the pasta looks amazing and creamy. I love how colorful my pasta is looking because of the bell peppers and spinach, and how creamy it's looking. So I'm going to serve mine. So my pasta is ready, and I love how it's looking. It's very creamy and very colorful from the vegetables that we added. If you have some leftover vegetables in the fridge, just add them in the pasta and it's going to be very good. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you make yourself this creamy pasta recipe. Bye.